Hello and welcome to the Sapphire floor plan by Logan Homes. My name is Paula and I am the builder specialist here in St. James Plantation. Some of the many things you'll find at St. James Plantation includes private beach club, a marina, miles of walking trails, clubs and dining, 81 holes of golf, tennis courts, and fitness centers. A new trend we're seeing a lot of are the loft options that we now offer. Families love the loft options as it provides a second space for everyone to enjoy TV, reading, and countless other activities. The lofts make a welcoming space for guests to enjoy as well, beyond an extra bedroom. This Sapphire plan will offer you about 2,900 square feet on the main floor, which includes 4 bedrooms, a study, a master suite, a beautiful master bath, and we can certainly personalize it to suit your needs as well. You can personalize your Logan home by stopping at our state-of-the-art design center just 30 minutes from St. James. If you would like some more information on Logan Homes or this floor plan in particular, please visit our website at loganhomes.com. Thank you.